Hello, Proton 7.0-5 has been released. In this release, the following games are now playable and a lot of improvements are being done to the Proton 7.0-5. So, which are these games? Rift, Unravel 2, Airborne Kingdom, Nancy Drew, Legend of the Crystal Skull, Revolt, Aspire, Ina's Tale, Better Realms, Zen Edition, Death Smiles 2, Primal Carnage Extinction, Pico Power Classic Edition, Six Ages Ride Like the Wind, Dark Star 1, Indiana Jones and the Emperor Tomb, Bulletstorm Full Clip Edition, and the fixes are done to Batman Arkham City GOTY launching in the background on Steam Deck when set to full screen. Fix Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered displaying dialogue about outdated drivers on AMD systems. Fixed a Final Fantasy IV 3D remake having no audio. Fixed Return to Monkey Island not reacting to mouse clicks after a recent game update. There were fixes in the VR chat and many other games. Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, Zombies and multiplayer hanging on exit, Bail or Jail, GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 2, Final Fantasy 14 Online, Disgaea 5, Thrustmaster Hotas, Planet Zoo, SCP, Secret Laboratory, uh, Tekken 7, Armello, Sword Art Online, Hollow Realization, Space Engineers, Dragon's Dogma, Dark Horizon, implementation of network video support for VR chat, and updated DXVK2 version 1.10.3-28-GE3DAA699. That would be all for now. Check out other Linux creators in the description. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike the video, dislike it. And tell me in the comment below why. Thank you.